si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target, because it is time. One target, one mission. designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga.
Magandang gabi, Bicolans, and of course to all the volleyball fans out there. Again, welcome. We're still live now here at the NCF Covered Court for the first game of the final round. It's the battle between the NCF Lady Tigers versus the UNC Lady Greyhounds. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Again, makakasama niyo po ako. Ako po si Kelly Francisco. Alongside with me is Rick Puerta.
Ayan, so unang paghaharap nitong dalawang kupunan para sa ating finals dito sa Bucal Season 6. So, let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang game number 1 because this is a great advantage for these both teams kung makuha na nila ang unang panalo sa game na ito. Again, live na live po tayo sa NCF Covered Court and sa ating media partner, we have GNN TV48 Naga o Ragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon.
Siyempre, nais lang po nating pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors. We have Naga College Foundations, Lemon Residence, and many more that makes this event very possible. At syempre, palagi lang po tayong tumutok dito sa ating live streaming platform sa Facebook, sa YouTube. Dito lamang yan sa GNN TV48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV Facebook page.
Ayan, maya-maya makikilala natin dito ang first 6 for both teams. So, kanino mapupunta ang game number 1? Again, sa mga live viewers po natin dyan, comment down below kung kaninong team ang gusto nyong manalo this evening. Again, matchup between the NCF Tigers versus the UNC Greyhounds. And to hear more about the preparations on the side of NCF Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi, Zai. Anong balita dyan?
Hello, Rick and Kelly. At of course, magandang gabi din sa ating viewers via Bucal's official Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV. This is your courtside reporter, Shulmar Zaimeniano, giving you the latest updates from the side of the NCF Lady Tigers. Blockbuster nga ang last game natin, which was the NCF Tiger versus the Bicol University Men's Volleyball Division. Hindi na uwi ang victory ng Tigers, kaya naman sa tingin ko babawiin ito ng ating women's team. It's going to be the battle of the clod. Who has the sharpest dig into their enemy's skin? Malalaman natin yan in just a few minutes. Again, this is Shulmar Zaimeniano from the side of the NCF Tigers. Back to the panel, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon.
Thank you so much, Zai, with that update. Of course, it's the NCF Lady Tigers, the defending champion, will be going against the UNC Greyhounds, and we are now seeing, of course, familiar scenario since these both teams faced off last season on this Bucal tournament.
Yes.
Siyempre, nakikita natin mamaya, Rick, kung sino nga ba ang mananalo in this game.
Ayan, on your screen, ang dalawang kupunan na maghaharap. And to hear an update on the side of UNC Greyhounds, let's call our courtside reporter, Princess. Hello, Precious. Anong balita dyan?
Maraming salamat to Rick and Kelly. Once again, a high-striking evening, Bicolanja. This is the League of Creating Champions where future rise. Given the hot-blooded matchup on the second game ay talaga namang punong-puno at nag-aalab ang energy coming from our crowd for tonight. And now, we're coming forward to another intense matchup for NCF Lady Tigers versus the UNC Lady Greyhounds. Well, as I've been the last courtside reporter of UNC Lady Greyhounds, I can fully attest na may kaya silang patunayan given the fact na karamihan sa kanila ay mga veteran players. But then again, coming from the opponent's history, we cannot predict it yet. And this game and the challenge is now on. This is Precious Garcia, your courtside correspondent from the bench of the UNC Lady Greyhounds live from Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
So much, Precious, since you have mentioned earlier about veterans. Yes, again, familiar faces on the side of the UNC Greyhound and some youngsters, new faces on the side of the NCF Tigers. But right now, magbabalik po tayo para sa pagsisimula ng game. Only here at Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Tournament where future rise at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction, with multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court para simulan na ang bakbakan between the NCF Tigers versus the UNC Lady Greyhounds. Yan, ipapakilala na nga dito ang first six for both teams.
Number 7, Angel Pepino. Number 8, Jasmine Contito. Team captain, number 11, Kisha Abitria. Number 12, Pauline Villarama. And number 17, Remy Shane Antan. Their liberos, number 3, Michelle Contessa. Number 14, Martina Nacion. Head coach Marlene Turbas, assisted by Rosalie Bebito and Rolando Manuel Cabrera. Starting for the UNC Greyhounds. Number 1, Christine Estao. Number 3, Carla Martinez. Number 4, Sheena Arizoman. Number 8, Micaela Tasir. Number 9, Charmaine Balade. Number 11, Mercy Manzanito. Their liberos, number 2, Caressa Molina and Micaela Nuestro. Head coach Clark Coron, assistant coach Brent Benada. This is the College of Volleyball Season 6 will featurize
And we have now the first game of the finals. Greyhounds versus the Tigers. Same team on the last season, but some new faces players here on the UNC side and at the NCF side. Now,
Nagbabalik ulit tayo dito, Kelly, sa familiar na paghaharap ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Now yan si Greyhounds to serve. Kutitob setting up Abitria and attack error on the side of their team. First point will go on the side of the Greyhounds.
Still on the service line. Setting up to Abitria. Good block. For a good save by Valdez. Now Abitria will try again. Puto. Good point for her. So on the service line, outside, it's 2-1.
Sharp serve. 1-2 play. Andon yung libero. Setting error para dito sa NCF. And with that, 3-1 ang ating score. Tito in the middle, Abitria. Ball is still alive. Jersey number 8, soft touch. At makakakuha ng puntos. Great start on the side of UNC Greyhounds.
It's 4-1 right now. 3-point lead for the UNC Greyhounds. Setting up to Servidad, but it's an outside hit.
Back-to-back error on the side of NCF. Now UNC on deck to serve at makakakuha ng service ace. Good serve. Tito papabawin si Servidad. Soft touch. Great floor defense. Pepino is there. Abitria will try. Great rejection at the net. Servidad. Soft touch. And makakakuha ng puntos. A much needed side out on the side of NCF Tigers. On deck to serve, we have Pepino.
Taking her time. Good serve. Now chance for the NCF Tigers. Pepino with the receive. Setting up to Servidad. Ginawa ng paraan. Again, another tight set.
Rejection at the net para kay Rizobal. Free ball will be given on the side of Tigers. And it catches the end line. Wow! Napakaganda ngayon ng ginagawa ng UNC Greyhounds.
Now, setting up to in the middle. Chance for the NCF Tigers. Servidad with a block. And an early timeout will be called on the side of the NCF Tigers. I'd like, of course, to thank our live audiences right now on the side of or the corner of this court. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin dito sa final game ng Women's Division 4 Bucal Season 6.
And back to the ball game. Martires on deck to serve on the side of Greyhounds. Great serve. Back set to Abitria. And again, the net defense on the side of UNC. Wow! Nakakailang kill blocks na itong UNC Greyhounds. Talagang binabantayan dito yung mga spikers on the side of NCF Tigers.
Martires will be serving. The underhand set to Servidad. Good dig to the opposite. Now, Santos Abitria down the line hit. Another still 6-point lead for the UNC Greyhound. And taking her time. Chuck ball. It's 9-4 on the scoreboard. They need the NCF Tigers humabol dito. With 5 point lead of the UNC Greyhound. In the middle, block by Santos. Early here for Santos. Wow, what an improved player of the NCF Tigers.
On deck to serve, we have Abitria. Nice serve. UNC will attack. Andon si Abitria. Cotito, back set to Servidad. And touch net was called on the side of UNC Greyhounds. And now, NCF Tigers slowly but surely making their way and building their momentum para dito sa ating unang set. Now, Abitria again on deck to serve. And this time, Arizobal with that cross-court hit. Successful.
Now Arizobal will be serving for the UNC Greyhound. Well, that's with the receive. Now setting up to Antang. Ganoon ng paraan. Check ball. Puntos for the NCF Tigers. (10-7) in the score. And Servidad will be serving to chase the lead of the UNC Greyhounds. Safe serve. Good dig there, but no save. It's a good point for the UNC Greyhounds. (11-7). Underhand, Antang gawa ng paraan. Now, on the back, Arizobal. And through the block. 12-7. Five-point lead for the UNC Greyhounds.
Back-to-back points on the side of UNC Greyhounds.
Now serving jersey number 9. Antang, good deflection.
Ball is still alive. UNC will try. Andon si Antang. Free ball para sa NCF. In the middle, andon pa rin si Antang. And hindi nakuha at hindi na itaas yung second ball na yon. That's why UNC Greyhounds ang makakakuha ng puntos. 14-7 is our score. Jersey number 9 to serve. It doesn't cross the net. 4 touches ang itatawag dito on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And a timeout was called on the side of NCF Tigers because again, UNC slowly pulling away para dito sa ating first set. 15-7 is our score.
Malaking tambak agad ang binitawan dito ng UNC Greyhounds sa NCF Tigers, and now they were leading with 8 points. It's a 15-7 as of the moment. And let's see if after this time if makakapag-adjust ba dito ang NCF Tigers. And we are back on the hard court for the continuation of the first set. Another reception error. Now Servidad will go to that. Now deflected. And that goes long for Abitria. (16-7). Abitria with the receive. Going to Antang. Another good dig by Arizobal. 1-2 play. Saved by Abitria.
Soft touch. Nice floor defense.
Pantay sarado dito ang NCF Tigers. And jersey number 8 saw that donut hole. 16-7 on the scoreboard.
Wow, buhay na buhay dito, Kelly, ang UNC Greyhounds. 10-point lead ang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. Wow. Free ball, chance for them to widen the gap in the middle. Unsuccessful. Sayang yon, Kelly, on the side of Greyhounds.
The NCF Tigers now struggling in terms of their reception. They cannot make a good play because there's no good pass on them. No converted points. That's why it's 17-8 on the scoreboard right now. Napakalaking kalamangan. But let's see on how they will adjust on this. But right now, good dig by Abitria. But that joust did not work again. 10-point lead for the UNC Greyhound.
Service error on the side of Greyhounds. And now Antang on deck to serve sa side ng NCF. No room for error on the side of NCF. Free ball ang ibibigay dito ng Greyhounds. Anong gagawin ng NCF? Abitria spiking that one. Hindi dito, Kelly, nabantayan ng UNC Greyhounds yung attacking yun.
Soaring on that play, Abitria nagpapakilala dito. 18-10, still UNC leading. Antang with that serve. In the middle, good dig.
Ball is still alive. Another chance on the side of Greyhounds. And Martires makakakuha ng puntos on the side of Greyhounds. Abitria will try. Abitria will score.
(19-11) on the scoreboard. 8-point lead for the UNC Greyhound. Medyo mahaba-haba na to, pero let's see. The NCF Tigers, but an error. Unforced error for the Tigers na kanina pa nilang pinapakita dito. 20-11 on the scoreboard.
Servidad naman ngayon and miscommunication on the side of UNC. That's why makakakuha dito ng puntos ang side ng NCF. Hindi doon nag-usap yung dalawang player on the side of the Greyhounds. And now, jersey number 7 on deck to serve on the side of NCF.
Another unforced error for the NCF Tigers. This is something that they must minimize. Lalo na ngayon sobrang lamang ang UNC dito. Now Matres will be serving. Now setting up to Servidad. That spike. Abetria will be serving. Good serve, and it's a service ace. 2 service aces right now for Abetria on this set. It's 21-14. Now serving Abetria. Unforced error again. Arisubal will be serving. Good serve. Setting up to Antang. That hit. Good save now, Balane. And no one get that.
Broken play yun, Cali, pero nagawan pa rin dito ng paraan ng UNC Greyhounds. 23-14, 2 more points on securing the set number 1 para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Arizobal on deck to serve. Good serve. Putitob setting up Antang.
Wow,
Boy pa rin ang bola.
A good reaction. But, oops. Arizobal tumama si Arizobal on that side, and I hope nothing serious on her side, pero kita natin kaya kung gaano niya ininda yung sakit na yun, but still right now serving for this set. Now Servidad, a good dig, but no one get that ball.
Sayang yon on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Napakaganda sana ng dig na yon ni Nuestro. And now NCF on deck to serve. Good serve this time. And Antang successful on that swipe. Isang puntos na lamang on the side of UNC. They need a good pass para sa kanilang atake. And with that service error, panalo ang UNC Lady Greyhounds on our first set. We'll be right back for our second set only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF High Quality.
We are now back still here at the NCF covered court, and it's the final game for the women's division for the second set. NCF Tigers versus the UNC Greyhound.
Isabel will try, but attack error on the side of UNC. First point will go on the side of NCF Tigers.
Good serve again. Underhand set by Martirez. Setting up to Abitria. But outside hit. Trying to go down the line.
Now UNC Greyhounds to serve. And to hear an update on the side of UNC Greyhounds, let's call our courtside reporter. Hi Precious, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Kelly. As of the moment, the crowd's energy is escalating as the UNC Greyhounds strikingly prove the remarkable set of skills. And of course, Rick and Kelly, can we all just highlight ang malakas na performance coming from the dynamic duo, jersey number 4 Arizobal and jersey number 3 Martirez, leading the team to ace their defenses. Coach Clark uplifted the team to never let a single error define the whole game. Dahil nga, what really matters the most for them is to recover and reclaim what they have started. That's all for now. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kelly.
Thank you so much, Precious, with that update. And we're seeing right now, of course, as she mentioned earlier, nga Arizobal and Martirez teaming up to have a lead. And kanina nga, as you have seen, right now the NCF Tigers is now leading with 1 point. It's 3-2 right now. Petria and Santos with that NCF Tigers. But speaking of NCF, let's hear an update on the side of Zai. Zai, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Rick and Kelly. Medyo may kulang nga sa performance ng ating Lady Tigers sa unang ilang minuto ng first set. Pero kahit papano, nabawi din naman nila yung areas na medyo tagilid. Their attacks are properly established, pero kailangan padagdagan ng onting force and energy. Medyo out of the ordinary nga ang situation ng ating Tigers. But I know for a fact that they'll be able to give us a better game this second set. Kaya hold your horses as we delve deeper into the night. We will delve deeper into the game. That's all from the side of the Tigers. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kelly.
And thank you so much, Azai, for that update. So yun nga, maraming lapses on the side of NCF on that first set. Let's see kung makaka-recover sila dito sa ating pangalawang set because looking at our scoreboard, abante dito ng dalawa ang kanilang kupunan. 5-3 is our score. NCF to serve. Service error. And with that, isang puntos lamang dito ang hinahabol on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Kutitub setting up Antang and finding a hole. Catching that end line on the side of UNC Greyhounds.
Now Santos will be serving. Good spike from jersey number 8 of the UNC Greyhounds.
Point will go on the side of NCF. Hindi na naitaas on the side of UNC Greyhounds yung last play na yun. And now, Antang on deck to serve. Jersey number 11, to Martires. Boy pa rin ang bola. 1-2 play para dito sa NCF. Bitria will attack at makakakuha ng puntos on the side of NCF. Taking advantage of that rattle situation sa side ng UNC Greyhounds.
8-5, 3-point lead for the NCF Tigers. But a service error from Antang.
Errors are piling up on the side of NCF Tigers. Ganito din yung nangyari sa kanila sa unang set kung saan talagang napakarami ng unforced error on the side of their team. They need to minimize that if they want to win this set number 2. At nakabawi nga dito si Abitria with that off the block hit. Free ball ang ibibigay ng Greyhounds. Anong gagawin dito ng NCF? Back set, Servidad. Powerful on that last hit. And touch net ang itatawag dito sa Greyhound side.
Lamang na dito ang NCF Tigers with 4 points. Now setting up to Martires. Good spike in the middle.
Powerful quick hit coming from Martires. Babawi ba dito ang NCF? Servidad. Andon yung recovery. Antang will give up a free ball. Now, UNC, Arizobal. Nabantayan dito. Chance for the Greyhounds to score. Pero magbibigay dito ng free ball ang kanilang kupunan. Good reaction by the NCF Tiger side. Chance for the Greyhounds to score. Back set. Jersey number 9. Nabantayan dito. We have a long rally. Servidad breaks down the wall.
Servidad on the opposite side, breaking that wall. And they are now leading with 4 points. With the help of the net, 11-8.
Servidad again. Wow, powerful hit coming from her. Talagang tinitibag dito yung harang, yung net defense on the side of Greyhounds. Free ball will be given on the side of Tigers. Combination play! And makakakuha dito ng check ball ang NCF. Ngayon, Kelly, NCF naman ang nagkakaroon ng magandang sunod-sunod na puntos.
Abetria with the serve. Now Arzabal on the opposite and through the block.
On her own version, titibagan din dito ang depensa on the side of NCF. Again, nabanggit nga dito kanina ni Precious ang dynamic duo on the side of Greyhounds, Arizabal and Martires. Wow! Palitan dito ng malalakas na atake itong NCF and UNC.
A back-to-back opposite hitters for the both side. And now, Servidad will be serving.
Jersey number 8 will try. Too strong on that attack. And with that, mapapatawag ng timeout dito ang UNC Greyhounds because they are down here. 59 is our score. We will be right back after the short commercial break. And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court sa pagpapatuloy ng second set match between the Greyhounds and the NCF. And jersey number 1, successful in that hit.
But a service error after that hit. (16-10). Now the NCF's leading. Almost a service 8. Pepino with that block. Good point. 17-10. Still on the service line, Santos.
Service ace para kay Santos.
(18-10) on the scoreboard.
Free ball ang ibibigay sa Greyhounds. Chance for them to attack.
Good one-hand save there.
1-2 play was good para dito sa Greyhound side. Nice angle by Avitria. Let's take a look one more time on our instant replay. That cut shot.
Wow, what a play coming from a bit. Of course, patiin naman natin ang kanyang supportive sister na now playing for the collegiate. Bless you, Avitria. And of course, watching all the way sa Letran, Vanessa Sari supporting Keisha right now. But right now, 1-2 play again, not an effective one. Now chance, Valdez. Setting up to Martires. Good dig. Antang hinabol. Now chance again for the UNC Greyhounds. Martires again with that spike.
Greyhounds on the service line to serve. Good serve. And walang kumuha on that second ball. Wow, great run on the side of UNC Greyhounds.
Time out for the NCF Tigers. 3-0 run here. It's 2015 on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Greyhounds to serve. Good serve. Avitria will attack. Nandun yung coverage. Ball is still alive. Free ball ang ibibigay dito sa Greyhounds. Great dig. Another opportunity on the side of Greyhounds. 1-2 play. Andun si Servidad. Free ball. And Abitria scoring that one. Net violation din ang itatawag on the side of Greyhounds. Service ace. Three more points on the side of NCF to win this second set. Another full first ball. Great dig. NCF on the attack. NCF will score.
And a great spike coming from Abitria. Last two more points for the NCF Tigers to close this match and to have a win and to extend the set going into fourth set. Now still on the service line. Setting up to Arizobal. And through the block. 16-23.
Dad. Makakakuha ng check ball dito ang side ng UNC.
Miscue there, but Servidad deflecting that ball to the hands of UNC Greyhounds. And now they're on the set point, 24-17. Now Pipino will go outside. Jersey number 5 will go inside for the NCF Tigers. Good serve there. Now in the middle. Now Abitria to end.
Back set.
Martires. That is not the end of the set. It's 24-18.
And Servidad closing this set with that cross-court hit. We'll be right back for our next set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance,
We are now back on the hard court for the set 3 for the finals of the women's division. NCF Tigers versus the UNC Greyhound. 1-all for the set. We're going right now. This time. Abitria with that hit. Now on the service line. That is a bubble try. Good block there by Santos. Now Martinez blocked again by Santos, but violation will be called to Martinez. 2-0 now for the NCF Tigers. Nabuhayan na dito ang NCF. And now still on the service line, jersey number 8. Martinez, binawian dito. Si Maymay. It's 2-1. Set there, but now talking about the NCF Tiger, let's hear an update on the side of the Tigers. Zai, ano ang update dyan?
Maraming salamat, Kelly. Fortunately, the Lady Tigers were able to own the second set with much greater tactics and attacks. They were able to establish a great play. However, areas that they need to improve on are their first ball handling. While Kelly and Rick, as you all know, nakadepende sa first ball ang overall outcome ng isang attack. Heavy on the pressure sa ating libero sa side ng Tigers. Well, hopefully, everything goes well from this point para maibalik na ang corona dito sa Francia. That's all the updates I have for now from the side of the Tigers. Balik sa inyo, Kelly and Rick.
Thank you so much, Zai, for that update. Pressure on the side of the libero kasi kanina pa talaga when it comes to reception, the NCF Tigers are struggling. But let's see now on how they will adjust on that. And on this sequence, setting up to Servedad, but a long shot for her. It's a 3-2. The point will be going to the UNC Greyhound. (3-2), 1-point lead for the UNC, but right now, let's hear an update on the side of the Greyhounds. Precious, take it away.
Maraming salamat to Rick and Kelly. We're now getting near to the last buzzer and the anticipation to know who will reign supreme is at peak. During the huddle, Coach Clark pointed the lap set they need to work out. Huwag makampante at muling ibalik ang team sa momentum. Additionally, the Lady Greyhounds remains dedicated na makuha ang pagkapanalo ngayong gabi. But then again, the game is still on. Kaya patuloy tayong tumutok dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much for that. No room for complacency on the side of UNC Greyhounds because we know kung paano maglaro itong NCF Tigers. So they need to do their job, to do their roles inside the court for them to successfully get this set. Back set to Arizobal. "5-3" is our score.
"5-3" now, and Martinez will be serving. Valdez will receive the joust. No overreaching will be called for the UNC Greyhounds. 6-3.
"7-3" is our score. The lead is on the side of Greyhounds.
Back to the hard court. 7-3. Malaking puntos ang kailangang habulin dito ng NCF Tigers. UNC with 4-point lead. Petrea, but Martinez is there. The frustrations on their faces. And Martinez will be serving. Service ace. Martinez again to serve the ball. Abetria deflected. Again, miscommunication. Then 3. Martinez to serve. No libero inside the court. And Santos with a service ace. Martinez will be serving. Huge lead for the UNC Greyhound. 11-3 in the scoreboard. Pepino. Good save. Again, another Abetria down the line hit. Good dig there for Arizobal. And now Pepino will go outside. Changing of players now for the NCF Tigers. Now, Martinez still on the service line. Deflected on that. Good point for the NCF Tigers.
A much needed side out on the side of NCF. Free ball ang ibibigay ng Greyhounds. Servidad. Jersey number 9 will try. Andun si Abitria. Antang, soft touch. Buhay pa rin ang bola. UNC Greyhounds on the attack. Great dig. Antang naman ngayon. Soft touch. Bantay sarado. One more time for Martires. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Wow. Long rally. Ayan. The ball is still alive though. UNC on the attack. But it catches the end line. UNC on deck to serve. We have Arizobal. Good serve para dito kay Arizobal. Free ball ang ibibigay sa kanilang kupunan. Jersey number 2 to serve. Service ace. Great serve again. 2 service aces para dito sa NCF. At napatawag nga ng timeout ng UNC Greyhounds because umaarangkada na dito ang NCF Tigers. We'll be right back after this short commercial break. We are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court sa pagpapatuloy ng ating match. Too strong on that serve.
It's 14-7 right now.
Batter first ball and batter attack coming from Antang.
(14-8) on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Still on the service line. Good block by Santos. Now Santos will go that joust against the UNC Greyhounds. 14-9. No room for complacency here for the UNC Greyhounds. Paunti-unting umahabol dito ang NCF Tigers. Could serve. Now
And
chance. Another run for the NCF.
jersey number 13 to serve. Too strong. Now Greyhounds on deck to serve. 15-10 is our score. Abante ng 5 puntos ang kanilang kupunan. Antang soft touch again. Kanina pa ito si Antang with that soft touch. Talagang hindi nababantayan dito on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Look at that. Yan nga yung sabi natin dito. It's not about the power. It's all about mind games para dito sa loob ng ating volleyball court. Antang to serve. Good serve. UNC on the offense. Boy pang bola. Free ball ang ibibigay dito. Another chance on the side. Buhay pa ang bola. 1-2 play on the side of UNC. Abitria, soft touch. Buhay pa rin. 1-2 play. Andun si jersey number 8. Pipe attack. Now, another 1-2 play. Kanino ibibigay? Abitria finding that corner pocket.
Now Antang will be serving. Santos again, seeing that 2 points away to tie this up. And the time I called for the UNC Greyhounds, and we'll be back after the short break. We are back on the hard court. 2 points away to tie this game. 15-13. Safe serve.
In the middle, makakabawi dito ang UNC Greyhounds.
(16-13) right now.
Good anticipation on the side of UNC. Now chance on the side of NCF. And Abitria getting a point. And with that spike, 1 puntos na lamang ang kailangang habulin ng NCF dito to tie this matchup.
Now on the service line. Now chance. Abitria is there. But net touch violation for Arizobal, and we are now tied with 16 all. Let's see kung sino ang lalamang dito.
Good serve!
Lamang na ang NCF Tigers. Nabubuhayan ng muli ang Dugong Tigre. 17-16, but still, they don't need to be complacent.
Because because we know kung paano mag-bounce back din itong UNC. So no room for error for both teams. Now chance for them to tie this match. And we are all tied up at 17.
And a stare down there by Arizobal to Servidad. Laughing at the moment. Well, Servidad is also laughing right now. Yellow card will be serving Servidad. To Arizobal, rather. Well, they're all friends outside the court. A little bit of clarifications.
17 all is our score. On deck to serve, jersey number 11.
Now, Servidad babawi. And no one get that. Servidad trying to stare a little bit.
Yes.
Siyempre, ayaw niyo ma-warningan dito, Rick. Hindi niyo na tinuloy.
Back to back. Powerful spike ang natunghayan natin para dito sa UNC and NCF. Talagang match na match ang dalawang kupunan na ito.
Now, Santos will be serving.
UNC will attack.
One-on-one block against Abitria, but that goes straight down to the net. Medyo mababa yung set na yon for Abitria. Sayang, no blocker sana. It's 18 all. Now Martinez will be serving.
Servidad will try. Denied at the net. Abitria. Buhay pa rin ang bola! And nagawa ng paraan dito ng NCF. Look at this. Servidad finding that donut hole.
Waving to her friend. Now, coach trying to tell something to Abitria. Could serve on the back. Good pick up. Now, Antang. Chance. Abitria. Now, Servidad. Babala na eh.
NCF will attack. Antang. Buhay pa ang bola. We have a long rally here. Servidad naman ngayon with a powerful attack.
What a hit coming from Servidad. The confidence to fly high and to end that play with a bang. 2018, lamang na po dito ang NCF Tigers.
Good serve this time.
Outside.
Too strong on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Sayang yun. Na-late sana yung blockers on the side of NCF, pero too strong on that attack on the side of their team. Now NCF 21-18. Abitria serving that one. Another heavy serve here. Back set. And a block! Wow!
What a celebration there for the NCF Tigers. Pepino with that solid block against Arizobal. 18-22 and still on the service line, Abitria. Another good serve for her.
Yes.
But a outside hit again. Unforced error for the UNC and coach. Walang balak na tumawag ng timeout dito.
Again, ito yung binabanggit ko kanina dito, Kelly, na kailangan ditong iwasan at bawasan ang kanilang errors because yun yung nagpapahirap sa kanilang kupunan. And speaking of error, Abitria, service error.
That ends the run. It's 23-19. Now Arizobal will be serving. Outside. Set point for the NCF Tigers. Servidad will be serving. Stable ball now. (24-20) steal for set point for the NCF Tigers.
Now, Kutitob setting up Antang. Nice dig. Buhay pang bola. Soft touch. Nice dig ulit. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Antang will try. We have a long rally here. And down the line hit coming from jersey number 8. One set point save on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Timeout will be called to cut the momentum of the UNC Greyhounds.
Yes, slowly but surely, hindi pa binibitawan dito ng Greyhounds itong set na ito. 24-21. Isang puntos on the side of NCF to get their second set win and 4 more points on the side of UNC Greyhounds to tie this matchup or even steal this set number 3. Wow, this game napakaganda talaga ng bakbakan between these two great teams. Now UNC on deck to serve jersey number 9. Kutito to Antang, and Antang ending this with that powerful hit. 25-21 is our score. Lamang na po ng isang set dito ang NCF. We'll be right back for our 4th set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor. Kasurog kang kalikasan. Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our set number 4. Nakuha nga ng NCF ang third set. And let's see dito sa set na ito kung matatapos na ba ng NCF at makukuha ang game number 1, or will the UNC Greyhounds extend this match into a fifth set? Yan ang aabangan natin dito sa ating larong ito.
We are now on the fourth set of the finals, game 1 for the Bucal Season 6 Women's Division.
First point will go on the side of UNC. Another cut shot para dito kay Kisha Abitria. 1-all para dito sa ating fourth set. Now, NCF to serve. Another great serve. Free ball on the side of NCF. Attack error on the side of NCF. That's why we are outside of at 2. Now, Martires to serve on the side of the UNC Greyhound. And to hear an update on the side of their team, let's call our courtside reporter, Precious. Hi Precious, anong balita sa inyong kupunan?
Yes, Rick and Kelly, we're down to the fourth set of today's matchup at mas lalo ngang nabibigyan ng pressure ang ating Lady Greyhounds sa ibinibigay na execution ng Lady Tigers. But then again, Coach Clark uplifted the team to continuously perform at their fullest best, make no space for errors, and to work collaboratively as a team. Yan munang update, back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Precious, with that update. And of course, there will be a good matchup still right now. It's 4-2. The NCF trying to get a close onto the win. And now Antang with that hit. 5-2.
And kitang-kita on that instant replay yung down the line hit ni Antang. Abitria on deck to serve on the side of NCF. And speaking of NCF Tigers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai to give us an update sa kanilang kupunan.
Maraming salamat, Kelly and Rick. Coach Parley is starting to get tougher sa ating Lady Tigers, reminding them who to block and who to target sa loob ng court since we're already on the fourth quarter. Kailangan nang magtabaho ng ating Tigers. Sabi nga kanina ni jersey number 17, Arpia, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Kaya they will have a lot of opportunity to bring back what's rightfully theirs. These players look like they're dancing in the middle of the intense battle, which is satisfying yet nerve-wracking to watch. With only one set left, kumapit tayo sa ating mga upuan at sabay-sabay iselebrar ang pag-uwi ng Corona sa Pransya. That's all the updates I have for now from the side of the Lady Tigers. Balik sa inyo, Kelly and Rick.
Thank you so much, Zai. Hindi pa nga tapos ang laban. That's why there's no room for complacency on the side of the NCF Tigers, even though they are now up with one set. But still, we know the capacity of the UNC Greyhounds when it comes to bounce back. Syempre, that's 5-4 now, 1-point lead for the NCF Tigers. And Zubal is now serving. Good dig. Chance again. Again to Servidad. Another good dig.
Boy pa rin. UNC will try. Soft touch. Andon si Antang. Back set to Antang with soft touch. Boy pa rin ang bola. And jersey number 12 will try. Bantay sarado dito, buhay pa rin. Jersey number 8 naman ngayon. Andon yung libero.
Good ball. 5 all right now. It's 8:04 in the evening and the NCF covered court is still alive. Now, setting up to Antang with a hulog. Another good save.
One more time on the side of NCF. Antang down the line hit. Was good.
Actually a good point. 6-5, and as we look into the replay, one-hand dig by Arizubal, but not controlled. Therefore, the point will be going to the NCF Tigers. And now, Santos is in the front row, showing off her skills and blockings. Inside will be called, Rick, for the NCF Tigers, and Servidad with that point.
And Kelly, napasabay pa nga ako. Because nabigla din ako doon sa service ace na yun. Bigla na lang bumaba on that end line. And now jersey number 2 on deck to serve. Another powerful serve. Good ball save. Is still alive. Antang. And a whistle coming from our referee here because of that net touch. Crucial error on the side of UNC. Kasi sila dito yung naghahabol. Still on that service line, we have Servidad. Great dig. 1-2 play.
The excitement on her part. Did not anticipate that. It's 8-6, still leading NCF with 2 points.
Wow! Again, Antang flying and scoring on the side of NCF. Wow, si Antang unstoppable para dito sa ating fourth set.
Wow, what a spike. So far, that's the most cleanest hit we've seen here on the game. And now Santos will be serving.
It catches the line. Puntos on the side of Greyhounds.
(9-7) on the scoreboard. 2-point lead. Serving. Now on Tang, serving. Good serve! Service ace for the NCF Tigers. The green-blooded players are now awake. 11-7. Trying to get the first game. Another service ace for Antang. 12-7 and the UNC Greyhounds will be calling a timeout, and we will be back after the very, very short break. And we're now back on this exciting matchup, the game 1 of the final round for the women's division. 12-7, 2 sets apart for the UNC Greyhounds, and the NCF is now leading. Another good serve.
Wow, powerful serve. Free ball will be given on the side of Tigers.
Abitreya pointing that one, clapping on her part. Point for the NCF Tiger. Wow, what an amazing performance from these players. At kitang-kita nga sa kanilang mga mata ang kagustuhan nilang manalo dito. Shoutout natin dyan si Aljon Pogoy. But on that sequence, good point for the UNC Greyhounds. Still 13-8, leading the NCF Tigers. Now, setting up to Abitri again. Hulog. Arzubal, get that. 1-2 play. Good save. Now setting up to Abitria. And deflected. And it's a good point for the NCF Tigers. And look at the crowd and the supporters of these teams.
Ayan, buhay na si Kapitana on the side of NCF. Back-to-back points for her.
Wow, what a very good point for them. Still on the service line. Good serve again. Arzubal with that hit. No check ball according to the referee, and as well as Martires. Fair play right now. Fair play game for them. They just tried to. Malay mo makalusot, di ba, Rick? But still, on point score there. 15-8.
Chance for them in the middle. At makakakuha dito ng pangbawi itong si Martires. Let's take a look one more time on our instant replay. Delay yung blocker on the side of NCF. Now UNC on the deck to serve. Attack error on the side of NCF.
Five-point lead for the NCF Tigers. Now setting up. Good save! And no one. Wala na. Di na mahahabol yan because of that play. No, medyo malayo na. But the UNC Greyhounds tried to. But still a point for the NCF Tigers.
Now, anong magiging sagot dito ng UNC Greyhounds? Because whenever nakakakuha dito ng puntos ang kanilang kupunan, talagang bumabawi din dito ang NCF. So they need an answer at this moment. Now, NCF will try again. And Abitria asking for a check.
Coach Parley. The reaction of this team. Service ace. The NCF Tigers will now be calling a timeout. 4-point lead still for them. But of course, the NCF need to cut the momentum of this team, the UNC Greyhounds. Staying on the court with the run of the UNC Greyhound. And it's 8:14 in the evening and still live now at the NCF covered court for the finals game one for the women's division. What a play. Now Martinez will be serving. Santos putting that into an end. 8:14 now. 17-11 rather. Abitria with a good serve. And not an effective one for the UNC Greyhound. 6-point lead for the NCF, and Santos, Antang, and Servidad in the front row. Meanwhile, Arizobal on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, but Abitria on that error. Double contact violation will be called to the center of the NCF Tigers. 4 na puntos na lamang.
UNC umaarangkada.
Good save, but
ito nga, naibaba na lang sa 3 puntos ang kailangang trabahuin on the side of UNC Greyhounds to tie this matchup.
to Servidad. Now Antang. The slide on that sequence. The emotions of the audiences and the players as well is now high. It's 19-15. And Servidad will be serving. That's out. service error for the UNC Greyhounds. 5 points away to end this game 1. And now, the open, and that hits the line. 16-20. Mababa yung set na yon. 2-point lead for the NCF Tigers. We are not yet done here, according to the UNC. Good block by Martires. 20-19. And the NCF will be calling a timeout. (19-20) favor of the NCF Tigers with 1-point lead. And that hit the end line. 20 all. Labanan kung sino ang lalamang dito. Lamang na dito ang UNC with 21-20.
What a run on the side of UNC Greyhounds. The table has turned on their side. Let's see kung ano magiging sagot dito on the side of NCF Tigers. (22-20). 2-point lead. And that service error, the adrenaline on the side of the UNC. And now Antang will be serving. So this is a good front line on the side of NCF kasi nasa unahan na dito si Abitria, their go-to player.
Abitria tying this up with 22 all. Last 3 all for the both teams, and Antang on the service line. Will the NCF Tiger end this or the UNC Greyhound? Good dig. Now to Abitria, Again, Arbitria with 23-22. 1-point lead. Antang with the heavy serves.
Yes.
Kinakabahan na ang lahat dito. Again, another heavy serve. Oops, no one. Now chance for the NCF Tigers. Arbitria again for Arbitria. But a chance going to Arbitria again. And that's a match point. Wow, what a spirit. If you guys are watching right now live here at the NCF covered court, you will be witnessing this match-up with a great heart and emotion. Now Antang to end the match. Adrenaline. Now chance. Now Arbitria. Chance again. Good dig! Now chance for the NCF to end this. Arbitria. But the game is not yet end. Isa lang ang kailanganin dito ng NCF. Will the NCF end this? Or the UNC Greyhound will extend it to a 5th set? And we are tied with 24-all. The emotion. Good serve. Match point for the NCF. And now, Servidad, Pepino, and Arbitria inside the court. Adrenaline. $25-all again. Will the NCF Tiger end this? 8:25. Good receive. And that hit by Servidad.
May halong gigil on that last attack. Let's see kung may extend pa ba ito ng UNC Greyhounds or will the NCF Tigers end this one?
Shoulder shot coming from Servidad. Now Pepino serving. And adrenaline. 26-all. Now Martirez will be serving. Good dig. Servidad getting that ball.
Ball is still alive. One more time for Martir. A soft touch. Arizubal! Too strong on that.
Too strong. Yeah, too strong there. No check ball. Too strong for the UNC Greyhounds. Now, Abitria will be serving and Antang would go in the front. What a match we have. Service error again. (8:28) in the evening. Live still at the NCF covered court. Block. Now set point. UNC Greyhounds. Arizobal will be serving. And that ends the set. And we're going to the fifth and deciding set only here at the Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering,
We are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our fifth and deciding set. Umabot pa nga sa fifth set ang ating game number 1. Kanina mapupunta ang panalong ito between these two teams?
On deck to serve, we have Kutitub. First point will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. Service error on the side of Greyhounds. And to hear an update on the side of NCF Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi, Zai. Anong balita dyan?
Kelly and Rick, isang napakagandang set ang pinakita ng dalawang kupunan na to. Talagang nararamdaman ko ang finals round from where I am watching. Narito na nga tayo sa 5th set ng ating laro, which was quite expected ng karamihan. Kasi walang gustong magpatalo sa dalawang team na to at kitang-kita naman natin yan sa kanilang performance. The Tigers were able to redeem themselves during the first 2 sets. Ang malaking tanong, will they be able to own the last one once again? Yan ang dapat nating abangan only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kelly.
Thank you, Zai, with that update. Pakbakan talaga dito as we expected nga. 5-setter. No check ball will be called. 3-2. And now the UNC Greyhounds is now leading with 1 point. But to hear an update on their side, let's hear an update to Precious. Precious, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Kelly. Papalapit na ng papalapit na nating matuklasan at mapangalanan kung sino ang magwawagi ngayong gabi. Is it the NCF Lady Tigers or the UNC Lady Greyhounds? But despite the time ay walang pagod na pinapakita ang ating Lady Greyhounds. Kanina lamang ay sinabi ni Coach Clark na bigyang focus ang malakas na pagpalo ng bola. The Lady Greyhounds remains resilient amidst the setbacks dahil nga they are not known as veterans for nothing. Once again, this is Precious Garcia, your courtside correspondent from the bench of the UNC Lady Greyhounds via Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much for that, Precious. Yun nga, never say die on the side of UNC Greyhounds. They forced this one into a 5th set at abante ng 2 puntos ang kanilang kupunan. Great stop! Chance for them to add their lead. Ball is still alive. So, net touch violation ang itatawag on the side of UNC Greyhounds.
4-3 now. 1 point lead for the NCF Tigers.
Ibabalik dito si Abitria on the side of Tigers. Arizobal successful in that cross-court hit.
Now Arizobal serving. Net touch for the UNC Greyhounds. 5-3.
Jersey number 9 will attack. Finding that donut hole.
6-4. Balane. She actually did not expect that to be a point.
UNC will attack. And UNC will score. 4-7 is our score.
Balana with the receive. And the long shot.
4-point lead ang hawak ng Greyhounds. Change ends.
We are now back. Change court. 8-4.
Now UNC Greyhounds having 5 comfortable lead here. Antang will try one more time. Ball is still alive. Jersey number 8. Bay pa rin dito. Antang will try. Babawi naman dito.
Now Santos will be serving. 9-5. UNC leading with 4 points. And no touch. 6-9. Still on the service line, Santos. Another good serve. Chance again. Now, Abitria going up to Antang. Setting up again here. Servida did not get that. 10-6. Timeout for the NCF Tigers.
Great run on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Ano ang magiging sagot dito ng NCF Tigers after this timeout? 4 na puntos ang hawak na kalamangan on the side of UNC. And another point conversion para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Last 4 points to secure this game number 1 on the side of Greyhounds. And on the other side of things, NCF, no room for error this time. Smart move coming from jersey number 8. Three more points on the side of UNC Greyhounds to secure their first game. First win for this game number 1. Back to the volleyball action. UNC Greyhounds. Jersey number 1 serving. Quick hit para dito sa NCF and it was successful. Great dig. And net touch violation was called on the side of NCF. Crucial error on the side of their team. Now, 2 more points on the side of UNC to win this match. Point conversion on the side of NCF on that last sequence. 13-8 is our score. Jersey number 8 to serve. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Great dig. Free ball ang ibibigay dito on the side of Greyhounds. Chance for them to score. And Arizobal getting a point. Now at match point ang ating UNC Greyhounds. On deck to serve, UNC Greyhounds. And that's the end of our game number 1. Congratulations to UNC Greyhounds for winning this match against the NCF Tigers. Napakaganda ng inalaro ng dalawang kupunan na ito. And magkikita pa po tayo sa ating game number 2. We'll be right back for our best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world, equipped with cutting-edge technology.
And our best player of the game is presented by Naga College Foundations, the home of the champions, leap into the future. And of course, joining with me today, our best player of the game, we have jersey number 3, Carla Gail Martirez, with 19 points in total, 13 attacks, 3 blocks, and 3 service aces. Congratulations! Now that you won the first game on the final round, ano yung masasabi mo with your performance?
Sa performance ko po ngayon, parang kulang pa po yun. Madami pang mas kailangan trabahuin para mas makatulong sa team.
Considering that gantong oras na tayo natapos dito, however, it's a win for you guys. And marami kayong pinagdaanan from the preliminaries, going to the quarterfinals and semifinals. And now, for the final game, ano yung mensahe mo sa mga lahat ng sumusuporta sa inyo?
Sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin, isa po kayo sa mga nagpapalakas po ng loob sa amin.
And also, may gusto ka bang batiin?
Siyempre po sa mga family ko, sa UNC community po, sa mga parents ko na si tata, si mama, si papa.
Ayan.
Sa mga katim ko po.
Ayan, congratulations again to UNC for winning the Game 1 of the finals again. Jersey number 3, Carla Gail Martirez with 19 points, 13 attacks, 3 blacks and 3 aces, and she is our best player of the game for these matchup. And that's the end for the last game for today's. It's a 3 games and it's a successful one for us. Congratulations to the University of Nueva Cáceres Lady Greyhounds for winning the first game of the finals. And of course, to the NCF for bringing it into the 5th set. And what a thrilling games right now that we have.
Ayan, naabangan pa natin ang game number 2 between UNC Greyhounds versus NCF Tigers. So, aabangan pa natin ng ganito kainat na bakbakan between these two teams. Again, ako po si Rick Puerta.
And I am Kelly Francisco. At maraming salamat sa pagtutok dito sa Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Tournament only here on GNN TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.